and Bitcoin have kind of made a comeback since we last spoke. Like
If
ETH
people
is
bought at 800, I know a lot of people saying, why didn't I buy
or
at 800?
900. Yeah.
We had talked about, I think, how like the macro is bad, which like it still is.
Inflation is still very high. They're raising the rates, but it's because of the articles about the merge, getting closer in September. More, there's like a smart con, different kind of conventions, and they're really pushing that the merge will happen. And there's actually like timelines, and that has caused this great like 65%
We've touched on it a lot too, and then people are wondering. I've always been like an ETH, like more than Bitcoin maxi, but
yeah.
What if the flipping happens around the merge? And
yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is only in the last 30 days is only up 22%.
Yeah, and
So
ETH is like
20,000
way
to 24,000.
Yeah, so from the bottoms, if you had picked ETH instead of Bitcoin, I think
You're
the bottoms were
2x.
Yeah, because
like,
the bottom of ETH was 800, 900, and then the bottom of Bitcoin, it got to what, 17? 16?
Yeah, it was like 7, it was like 18
but alts aren't necessarily, so that's what people say is, the rotation of, if Bitcoin goes up, that's the first one, but ETH is outperformed in the short term, which is an interesting distinction. And like I said, the flipping when or if
alts aren't doing anything
when ETH overtakes Bitcoin in terms of market cap, but the overall market cap, I believe, is now over $1 trillion again, which is kind of like, in my mind, a key indicator.
1.1.
Yeah, 1.1. So the total market is good. Bitcoin and ETH have gone up, and like I was saying, the alts are a smaller portion of that, and they've somewhat recovered off bottoms, but haven't gotten back to.
Mostly, people are sidelined or not even like trying to play these ranges.
Just going in like bit by bit, kind of.
Yeah. So the most recent FOMC meeting was like on Tuesday, and then ETH just went up like 15%, 10%.
And I think it hopefully is the dust settling. I think we'll move to like talking about Suzu and 3AC. I mean,
lawsuits are going on now that a lot of people lost a lot of money. So like there's a Bloomberg